Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about iterative model in software project management. So let's discuss. The iterative model, which involves repeating the development cycle. It is repeating the multiple times. So with each iteration and adding a new features or refining existing ones. So the each iteration builds upon the previous one, and it is incorporating the feedback and changes which helps to improve the software. So this approach allows for flexibility and adaptability, and all the requirements can evolve over time. So this is the small introduction about iterative model. So this is the diagram of iterative model. So it has various phases. There are planning, requirements, analysis and design, implementation, testing and evaluation. So the initial stage is planning and the end of the stage is deployment. So let's discuss the various phases of iterative model. So the first phase is planning phase. So in this phase, the team identifies the goals and objective of the project is first. Then along with the project scope, requirements and constraints on them, the team then identify the different iterations that would be needed to complete the project successfully. So this is the planning phase. And the second phase is requirements analysis and design phase. So in this phase, the requirements met are then analyzed and the according system is designed based on these requirements. The project design should be modular, which would allow easy modification and testing in subsequent iterations. And the third phase is implementation phase. So in this phase, the system is implemented based on the design created in the previous phase. So the implementation should be done in small, manageable pieces or increments, so which can then be tested in the next phase of cycle. And the fourth phase is testing phase. In this testing phase, the system is tested against the requirements then identify in the planning phase. So the testing is done of each iteration, and any defects or issues are identified and resolve it, then this helps in each iterations. And the next phase is evaluation phase. So in this evaluation team, the team members are evaluated the performance of the system, so which is based on the results of testing. So the feedback is gathered from the users and stakeholders and customers, and changes are made to the system as needed, which makes the system more scalable and flexible. So this is called as the evaluation phase. And the last phase is incremental release. So in this phase, the complete iterations are released to users and stakeholders. So each release builds on the previous release and providing a new functionality or improving the existing functionality to a great extent. So these are the phases of iterative model. So the phases are planning, requirements, analysis and design, implementation, testing and evaluation. So the initial phase is planning and the final stage is deployment. So this is a iterative model in process model. So this is the assessment. So there is one question that is explain the concept about iterative model. And these are the reference. Thank you.